Renault is gearing up to introduce a fresh and exciting chapter in the world of affordable electric vehicles. At the Brussels Motor Show this year, the automotive giant unveiled the updated Twingo E-Tech concept, offering a sneak peek into the future of compact electric cars. Set to hit production in 2026, this innovative model maintains the beloved essence of the Twingo while embracing cutting-edge design and technology at an impressively accessible price point of $20,000. The Twingo has long been known as a fun, compact city car that captures the spirit of urban driving. With its electric transition, Renault aims to make zero-emissions motoring available to a broader audience, without sacrificing the features that have made the Twingo a favorite. This updated concept version marks a major step forward in the brand's mission to create an affordable, stylish, and functional electric vehicle that doesn't compromise on quality. One of the first things that stands out about the new Twingo E-Tech is its modernized exterior design. While retaining the iconic compact silhouette, Renault has added some sleek updates to give the car a more contemporary and sporty flair. The front end features eye-catching, 3D printed bumpers with a distinctive honeycomb pattern, not just for aesthetics but also to optimize airflow for better efficiency. Along with the new squared-off air intakes, these changes enhance the Twingo's sporty appeal while improving its aerodynamics. The rear of the Twingo has also been redesigned, with newly sculpted fender flares and striking new taillights that complement the car's updated aesthetic. This evolution of the Twingo's design language gives the car a fresh, youthful look while maintaining its playful charm. Inside, Renault has created a cabin that is both practical and stylish, ensuring the Twingo remains a perfect fit for city living. The dashboard is minimalistic, with a focus on functionality. A 7-inch digital instrument cluster sits directly in front of the driver, providing all essential information in a crisp, clear format. To the right, a floating 10.1-inch infotainment screen becomes the focal point, offering an intuitive interface for media, navigation, and connectivity. Renault's attention to detail continues inside, where the cabin feels both modern and inviting. Climate controls are neatly integrated into the dashboard, with body color accents offering a touch of personality. One particularly unique feature is the cork flooring, which gives the cabin a warm, premium feel while supporting the company's sustainability goals. Ample storage spaces are dotted throughout the cabin, ensuring passengers have room for their everyday essentials. Drawing on the original Twingo's playful spirit, the interior features a fun splash pattern in the upholstery, reflecting the vibrant, youthful character of the model. The rear bench is both versatile and practical, with a split folding design that can slide to provide additional legroom or more cargo space, depending on what's needed. For added enjoyment, the Twingo E-Tech concept includes a panoramic glass roof that allows natural light to flood the cabin, further enhancing the feeling of spaciousness. The car's design also features a quirky but functional seatback adjustment knob inspired by skateboard wheels, adding an extra touch of personality. Additionally, a magnetic area on the back of the front headrest allows rear passengers to conveniently mount their phones for entertainment or navigation purposes. While Renault has not yet revealed the full technical specifications or performance details for the updated Twingo E-Tech, the company assures that the production model, which will arrive in 2026, will combine fun, efficiency, and affordability in one exciting package. The $20,000 price tag is poised to make the Twingo E-Tech one of the most affordable electric vehicles on the market, offering an accessible entry point for urban drivers seeking a stylish, eco-friendly alternative to traditional petrol-powered cars. As the electric vehicle market continues to grow, the Renault Twingo E-Tech is a glimpse into the future of affordable, practical, and exciting EVs. With its combination of innovation, affordability, and the iconic Twingo charm, this upcoming model is sure to appeal to a wide range of consumers looking to make the shift to electric without breaking the bank.